Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture we are going to discuss about saving. Basically saving is the part of our disposable income that is not consumed. For example, if a person have $300 income per week and he consumed $200 from it, so the difference between income and consumption is saving. 300 minus 200, the remaining 100 is or her is saving. Saving is also the functional relationship between income. Saving is also depends on income. More the income, more will be the saving. So there is a positive relation between income and saving. So when people have more income, now they are able to save more from the income. Sometimes saving also depends on consumption, so the saving is indirectly depending on consumption. It means that when you are consuming less, so technically it means that you are saving more. So indirectly we can say that your saving is also depending on consumption. Mathematically we can write it as S equals to minus S plus SY. Saving can be negative, saving can be zero, and saving can be positive. Saving is zero when your income and consumption are equal. So it means that there is nothing to save. Saving is negative when you have to borrow some from else in order to fill the gap between income and consumption. Let's say your consumption is 300 and your income is 250, and you have to borrow in order to meet the expenditure, and you have taken $100 from some of your friends, and out of that $100 you have consumed 50 and still you have saved 50. So that 50 is not your saving, technically that is your dis-saving or negative saving, because you have to return that amount to that particular person. Similarly, this saving or MPS, marginal propensity to save, is depending on income. When your income increases, your saving also increases. So this small s is showing MPS, or the slope of the saving function, which is MPS, marginal propensity to save. So here is a positive sign which shows that there is a positive relationship between saving and income. When your income increases, your saving also increases. So now let's discuss about the graph or saving function. As you can see that here on y-axis we have taken saving, on x-axis we have disposable income. The saving curve area below this line is showing this saving or the negative saving. This amount represents that you have to return this amount to your friends or to someone else from whom you have taken the amount as a borrower. At point B, your saving and so your income and consumption both are equal, so here is no saving. So after that, when your income increases, your saving also increases. So after this line your saving is after point B your saving is positive. So saving can be zero, saving can be negative, and saving can be positive. And the slope of the saving function is MPS, marginal propensity to save. MPS shows that how much change occur in saving due to a unit change in consumption, or due to unit change in income.